I remember the day when I first thought of becoming a teacher full of hope. Hope it will have a very significant impact on the countless and millions of students across our country. Hope I will inspire a lot of students to do something spectacular and extraordinary. Hoping not only teaching a particular subject, but skills which impart you knowledge of lifetimes. The fostering of students' self-esteem, reinforcing the confidence that a child needs to do well in this world. That's all that I thought of. And this channel and Vedantu give me all of that and more. Students' V.O.T.E comments truly motivate me. Each and every time a student reaches out to me, tells me how inspiring Biotonic has been for them, it is truly motivating for me. I work exemplarily hard to make sure that I am able to be there for my students and encourage them and motivate them to be out there and go and try and achieve everything that they set their eyes upon. A journey where each year we find a new set of motivated children who want their life to be changed, who are right at the cusp where they can bring about a big shift in their life. It is time to fulfill the hope again, to inspire and make a significant impact on them. To all my 10th moving to 11th students, are you ready to witness a life-changing, inspirational, motivational journey of your life? If yes, you know where to come. Yes, we at Biotonic are waiting for you.